video might be a little bit weird because we have scrub daddies in here. And the reason why I got this is because they're pretty good, not bad at all. So this is what they look like. Scrub daddy, scrub mummy. Sponge side, absorbent. This is actually a little bit different from scrub daddy. I guess it's scrub daddy and scrub mummy. That's crazy. So it actually has two sides. One is this foam side and then one is that hard side. That's pretty cool, not bad. So we've got like a few in here, you know, different colors, green, white, and the pink. Cool. Never actually seen this type before. I don't even know when I ordered it, I didn't check. But yeah, pretty cool. This is what they look like. If you have something like really abrasiveness that you need, this is the side you use. This is the spongy side. So yeah, got everything in here. Pretty cool. Really works actually. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.